Hello my friend. This is control computer of this machine and I will teach you how to use this machine. And here have Chinese, English, Russian language. I will use English for example. I will press English button. And this is screen. This screen is production page. Length set. We set length here. I set the length is 1500 mm. Set quantity here 4 pieces. This screen no change any data. This screen also no change any data. Press knife decline. Cutter down. Cutter up. Press knife down. Press knife up. And here press length reset. And press sheet reset. Resent. Then press auto on button. Machine will work automatically.